Hello, dear Libras. How are you guys doing? So, this is a general love reading from 11th of May till 21st of May. Okay. So, this might or might not resonate with every one of you. So, if it does, watch till the end to see the outcome. Okay. So, let's see your partner's current energy, your current energy, what they feel for you, what they want from you, and what to expect from this person till 21st of May. Okay. So, this is a mid-May reading. Your partner's current energy Libra right now is Ten of Wands, burdened by something. They are feeling like they are carrying lots of burden on them, on their shoulders. Okay, they are feeling all carried away, all stressed out, very stressed, very in this energy of no, things are not working out for me. I am not getting over this particular person. I am not able to do anything. I'm not able to move forward. This kind of energy, burden on them, feeling burdened. So it is like 10. So this is the this is the end. This is the end from their side. There's something that was bothering them a lot, Libra. Now this thing is ending, or this feeling is ending soon. Okay, so let's clarify the 10 of Wands. Why are they having these kind of energies right now? Page of Cups, the Star, and the Six of Swords. I feel like this person is developing new feelings for you, and they are very hopeful about this connection, that things will work out eventually, and they feel like they're very hopeful that this connection will be on a peaceful resolution, on a peaceful level in the near future. Right now they are in this energy. Okay, so they are feeling burdened. They are coming out of this burdensome situation, and they are feeling developing new feelings for you, and they are very hopeful and positive about this particular connection. They are very positively thinking about this connection. They are healing from something that was not working out in the past, or something that was very conflicting for them, and they are ready to have a peaceful resolution, and they are moving towards a peaceful situation in their life. Okay, leaving the trying to leave the past behind, but that's not easy for them. Okay, they are still carrying some kind of burden or pain in their heart. Let's see what your current energy is, Libra. Your current energy right now. Sorry, these cards are a little slippery. Yeah. So, your current energy is Six of Wands. I feel like you're working on yourself. You are working on your victory. You are working on your success. You are working on making your name and fame in a particular direction, or in society, or in your business, or in your work. There's something that you are working on, and you are working very hard on that particular project or thing, and you want this, thing to work out, thing to make you famous, might be give you some kind of promotion, give you some kind of money or finances. So basically you are working out for yourself, and you are working for a situation. Let's clarify further, it will give you more insight what you're working on. Knight of Swords, Queen of Wands, and the Two of Wands. Yeah, I feel like you are very clear about this particular person in your life now. Okay, you are feeling like I'm not going to wait for this person forever. I want to work on myself as well. I want to work on my dreams, my business, my things. Okay, so I feel like you are very clear and honest about your thoughts now, and you are very passionate about somebody or someone in your life. You are, although you are waiting on this person, you are waiting on this person from a very long time to arrive or to talk to you. Might be you are waiting for this person to arrive and make this connection with this particular person a success. I feel like you see this person in this light of this person is very attractive to you, very beautiful to you, and very passionate and energetic. Okay, and you want this connection to work out. You are waiting for this person to reach out to you and talk to you, Libra, and you want this connection to be a success, to be victorious to be victorious or to be successful with this particular person. Yeah, this is what your current energy is. So Libra, let's see what your partner is feeling for you right now, or your person is feeling for you right now. Two of Pentacles, in a confusion. I feel like this person is might be dealing with two people at the same time. Okay, and they are very confused about whom to leave and with whom to move forward. So I feel like this person is in a confused state of mind. They are feeling lots of confusion in their mind for you, about this connection. They are juggling between, might be yes or no, or they are juggling between two people. Which one to choose? Okay, so let's see. Let's clarify. Two of Pentacles. Let's clarify Two of Pentacles, Libra. as a person's feelings for you. Let's clarify. Two of Pentacles, two of, okay, two of Cups, five of Cups, and the seven of, okay, Pentacles. So I feel like this person see this connection as a soulmate energy. They are missing you a lot, and they are waiting for you from a very long time. So I feel like this person is waiting on you to go to them, and they are confused whether to reach out to you, or just be silent for the time being, or wait for you further. So this is not a confusion between two people. I feel like they are confused between whether they should talk to you, whether they should, reach out to you or not, or whether they should be silent, whether they should wait for you further. So basically, this person is basically feeling like this connection is a soulmate connection. Two of Cups is there. They are missing you very much. They are grieving your loss. They are regretting what they did with you, and now they are waiting on you. Now they might be waiting for the right time, okay, or they are just confused about this waiting game, whether I should reach out to Libra or not, okay. But these are their feelings for you. What they want from you, Libra. What they want from this connection or from you in general. Okay. The Fool, a brand new beginning. All they want from you is a brand new beginning with them, and take the leap of faith with them, take the risk of their life with them. This is what they want from you. I feel like this person is now ready to have a beginning with you, because I feel like this person was not ready in the past. This person was acting cold, maybe detached from you, okay. But deep down they want a brand new beginning with you, a brand new start with you, and they are ready to take the risk with you, okay, and to start all over again with you. Let's clarify the Fool further. Four of Swords, Eight of Cups, and the Fool. The Fool again. Yes, this person hold back a lot. This person thought about you a lot. They were thinking about you a lot. They were analyzing each and everything. They tried to walk away from this connection. Libra, they tried hard to walk away from this connection or from you. But as soon as they walked away, they realized that you are their happiness, and they want to have a brand new beginning. Might be this person wants a brand new beginning in their own life first, to sort out their own shit first, and then wants to come towards you and to have a brand new beginning with you, okay. So basically this person researched a lot about you, thought a lot about you, did everything that they could to forget you, okay, but they can't, and that is why they want a brand new beginning with you. They want to take the risk of their life with you. They know that this is a risky situation. This connection is risky to them and to you as well, Libra. But they want to have a brand new beginning. The Fool is a kind of energy that is kiddish, that is childish. They know there is, a cliff, like in front of them. Okay, I lost words. So there's something in front of them that is not good for them, but still they want to take the risk. This is what is happening. Okay, let's see what to expect from this person till 21st of May, Libra. Nine of Wands. Libra, this person wants to have a brand new beginning with you. They want to start their life with you, and they are very, very confused. They are feeling confused whether to reach out to you or not. But I don't feel like this person is coming towards you till 21st of May, because they are all guarded up. They are hurt. They are hurt, but they are standing their own ground. But I feel like this person and you had some kind of fight in the recent past, or maybe in the past, or you guys not are not talking to each other at all. But I feel like this person is standing their own ground, and their walls are high, their walls are up, emotionally off. They are acting emotionally off and cold. They're not going to talk to you in that manner that you want. You are waiting on them. They are very, very hopeful and positive about this connection, developing new feelings for you. But I don't see this person coming towards you, because they are deeply hurt by something. They are deeply, deeply hurt by something, and they are like keeping their emotions off, cold and off, detached from you, feeling detached. No, not feeling detached. They are showing that they are detached from you. They are not giving a fuck about this connection. They are just showing it to you, but deep down they love you, and they want to have a brand new beginning with you. Let's clarify it further. The Death, the Seven of Wands, and the Knight of Swords. Yes, I feel like this person has changed a lot. You could be dealing with a Scorpio, Libra. So I feel like this person has changed a lot, or an Aquarius. So, and they are like standing their own ground. They are still stuck on something that happened in the past, and they are stopping themselves to rush into anything. They want to take their time, they want to take their sweet as time to come towards you and talk to you further about this particular connection. Although they love you, although they feel like there should be a brand new beginning in this connection, but they're holding back for the time being, because they are transforming into something, they are transforming into a new person, and they're still standing their own ground. Something from the past is haunting them, and they are right now stopping themselves to rush into anything. Okay, and the bridging energy between you guys is the Emperor. So Libra, I feel like both the parties are like behaving like adamant right now. Both the parties have made up their mind that they don't want to talk to each other, but both the parties are loving each other and waiting on each other. This is happening, this is the scene that is happening. They want to start all over again, that is for sure, and they love you, that is also for sure. They're little confused, not little confused, very confused. You are waiting on this person to arrive to you, to talk to them. They are might be waiting on you to talk to them. But they're developing new feelings for you, and they're very, very hopeful about this connection, that there will be some kind of peaceful resolution coming towards them in the future. So let's clarify. Let's pull one card from the Love Oracle deck. Libra, for you guys. Cupid's arrow. Have faith. Love is coming. Surprise, invitation, or meeting. Yeah, love is coming towards you, Libra. Have faith. Yeah. This is your reading till 21st of May. So thank you so much, Libras, for tuning in. And this is Anjali Tarot. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comment section below if this is your story and it is resonating with you. Thank you so much. Namaste. Namaste.